So the toolbar is the same in all of your question types, and you can get it here in the question just by clicking the box. You can also get it in your options for your answers. So it's got the traditional formatting buttons. You've got your bold, italic, your underline. You can change your font color. You can take away the formatting. You can change the size of your font. You can insert a numbered list. You can do a bullet list. You can indent. You can left align, center align, right align, and justify. You can highlight text and add a link. You can add a picture. You can add math text. So this allows you to add your fractions. It's got tons of different keyboards that you can switch through to create all of the different types of math problems that you might need to use. And then you can create a table, and you've got all these different styles that you can use. You can add quotes, insert special characters. This allows you to add audio, so you can upload an audio recording that you've already created, or you can just record it right here. Same thing with the video player. Upload it or record it. You can add a calculator to just this question. You can give them a basic one or a scientific one. You can add a ruler, centimeter ruler, or an inch ruler, and you can add a protractor. One thing that I've done in creating my assessments is I like to put the calculator, the ruler, and the protractor at the beginning of the question, because sometimes the students miss it if it's at the very end of it. So that's just a helpful hint. Next, this allows you to add a resource if you want to attach a PDF or anything else like that to the question. You can do that. Oops. Then you can undo. We've got formatting styles. You can add source code. So if you've got something from another website that you've got the source code for, that you can add that. And the last thing on here is the Ssml, which stands for Speech Synthesis Markup Language Editor. So you can select the text in the assessment and modify the default pronunciation that is read aloud by the text-to-speech tool. And then the next one allows you to substitute and then put in breaks. And that's the toolbar.